Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today and we got to take a look at a plug toilet. Let's see what we find.
Who knows, it might be, maybe this will do it. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Ready for fun?
I don't know what
Second round.
I don't know what one it is, but
Yeah.
Right here, eh?
Yeah.
let's see.
Oh, this, yeah, these ones are always fun, aren't they?
Yeah. So you try it with that snake, but it's garbage.
Yeah. These front flush, they're no good.
Oh. Also, he's gonna be able to see what's inside.
No.
Oh, I thought it was.
No, this isn't for that.
Okay. This is the light. Yeah. And my snake won't go in, so I don't know if there's.
You trying that way?
Yeah. But both
You gotta
ways.
go this way.
Yeah, both ways. This is it, because he's gonna order me one, a good one. This is garbage. Man.
Honestly, these toilets, I don't like them.
All them.
Yeah, this is very old.
Yeah. One of you guys was here in May or June. She just replaced the whole toilet. They said, buddy, I can do nothing. It has to be changed. That's what he said to me. Don't waste time. Just do it. Oh, his one is the manual one. Yeah. His is huge. Whatever was there is that.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Coming.
Yeah,
Yeah.
see how I had to stand on it?
How can I
You
do that?
have to with these toilets. It's-
How can I do without toilet? No, it's like I got it in a Happy Meal.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a toy.
No, I'm not saying that. Yeah, these toilets are just
This
old.
is a professional thing. With one of those things, you should see what he did. You have to stand on
I had to stand on your toilet.
and like go deep.
Because it's the way it drains. This one drains at the front instead of like a normal toilet will drain at the back, right? These toilets are, it's just a very old toilet.
Oscar, can you put in for me? I need a new toilet.
I can answer.
Yeah.
Well, no one is these guys. No way Jose can do it with that toy that I have. Ay, ay, ay. That's what we need. He should order one of those for us.
These?
He should.
But if he does that, then I'm out of money.
You know
I'm
what?
just bugging, I'm bugging.
I know, but it's like in the 8 years I've been here, maybe 3-4 times the most this issue.
Yeah.
Not that many times.
No. Well, like I say, I've never been to this building, huh?
Now, any plumber that comes from TAC, they recommend to replace everything. Everything is garbage. Some of the stuff, I remember the young fellow says, you can't find parts for this anymore. They don't make this anymore.
Yeah. No, that's it. Like, look how old this toilet is. Like,
Yeah.
that's an old one.
I'm gonna take my stuff with me, that way.
All right.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay,
So you have yourself a good day.
Yes, thank you.
No problem. Now you can use the washroom.
I locked you in.
You locked me in.
I think you don't mind stop out, eh?
Yeah.
Instead of going to the garbage, this is
Yeah.
garbage.
Yep.
Garbage. Oh.
Thanks, Oscar.
I'll talk to you later, yeah.
Have a good day, okay? Thanks.
There's no way you can look into 804, eh? You were not sent for that.
That's a plumber. I'm not a plumber. I'm just a drain technician.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
All right, thank you.
Go for it. Oh. Alright guys, there you go. With those toilets, unfortunately you do have to stand on them to get good leverage. But until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.